You're welcome back to another episode of Russian Language for Beginners. Yes, it's been a while and you're welcome back. Today we're going to be looking into a very interesting topic. So, are you ready? If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Today we have introduction into simple pronouns and verbs in Russian language. Exciting, right? Because this means that we would start making progress. That is, making a sentence in Russian language. So we begin by understanding the meaning of simple pronouns. Simple pronouns are words that can be used as a substitute for the proper name. So, for example, a simple pronoun is like if you have a friend, you can use in English language the simple pronoun for that friend could be he. And if you have a female friend, the simple pronoun would be she. Do you understand? And if you have a dog, it will be it, and so on and so forth. So, today we'll be examining simple pronouns in Russian language, and also we would be looking into verbs as well in Russian language. We all know that verbs are called action words, so I hope you're ready. So if you're ready, let's gear up into this new phase of Russian language. To begin with, I have this simple uh, pronoun that is I. I. In Russian, I is ya. As you can see on my screen, it is ya. I is ya. Then we go to the next simple pronoun, you. You. You in Russian language is ty. You in Russian language is ty. Then there's something tricky here. You in Russian language is used as ty if it's of or informal form. That is, if it's somebody that you are pretty used to, maybe your friend, maybe your brother. But if you're going to say you in formal, that is informal and also in a respectful way. If you are going to say you to somebody you respect, then it becomes vui. So that is, you in informal is ti. You in formal is vui. Do you understand that? I hope that you got that. Also, we'll move to the next simple pronoun, which is e. E in Russian is on. E in Russian is on. Then she is the next simple pronoun here. And she in Russian language is Anna. She is Anna. Okay. Then we have we as the next simple pronoun. We. We in Russian language is мы. We in Russian language is мы. Мы. Okay, the next simple pronoun I have here is they. They is ani. They is ani. They is ani. Now, combining both simple pronoun and verbs. Today I have this verb is not. Is not. As you can see, the A, T, and the soft sign, the last three letters, as you can see. When you see something like this, A, T, and soft sign, that means infinitive. So when you see that, you know that's an infinitive verb. That's a verb, and the AT means the infinitive form of the verb. So now, if I want to say I know, and before we go deep into this, I have to let you know that in verbs in Russian language, they have two categories. There's verb 1 and there's verb 2. I will show you the difference as we move forward in this lesson, okay? All right, so in this first example, I said znat, which is the verb we're going to examine. Znat means know. The verb znat means to know. To know. Like I know someone, you know someone, you know she knows someone, you know someone, we know someone. Okay, examining this verb znat in Russian language. So if I'm to say I know in Russian language, it's я знаю. So if somebody asks you, do you know this thing in Russian language? You say, I know. So I know in Russian language is я знаю. Я знаю. See, it's not so hard. Okay, now if you would like to put the expression in the sentence and say you know, you know. You know in Russian language is ты знаешь. Ты знаешь. Ты знаешь. Ты знаешь. You remember I said you is ты when it's informal. But when you want to say you in Russian language in a formal form or you want to use it for somebody you respect, then it becomes вы. Вы. So if you are going to say you know using the formal form of you, it will be different. It will be вы знаете. Вы знаете. Вы знаете. One thing that is very important in this lesson is that you have to memorize the last 3 letters, the last ending 3 letters, you know, in the verb, because those are the last 3 letters that changes. So you have to get accustomed to it. Okay, so let's move forward. Вы знаете. Вы знаете. So we move to the next simple pronoun, which is he and she. So he is, if we're going to say he knows, it will be он знает. Он знает. So if we're going to say she knows, it will be она знает. Она знает. Она знает. Do you understand? Okay, let's move on to the next simple pronoun. The next simple pronoun we have here is we. We is мы, as we all know in Russian language. So now, if you're going to say we know, it would be мы знаем. Мы знаем. Мы знаем. Do you understand? Okay, the next simple pronoun we have is they. They in Russian language is они. So if you're going to say they know, it will be они знают. Они знают. Они знают. Do you understand that? Они знают. So what we have just done now is that we have made a simple sentence in Russian language. We started with I, which is я знаю, and we went on to ты знаешь, and then вы знаете, он знает, она знает, мы знаем, они знают, они знают, они знают. Okay, so let's go over it again. Я знаю, Ty znaешь? Я знаю. Ty знаешь? Он. Oh, and вы знаете? Вы знаете? Он знает. Она знает. Мы знаем. Они знают. Они знают. So I hope that you understood that. I would like you to memorize this. You can actually get your notes and write it down and practice the sounds and practice the meaning as well. Memorize this actually, as we have just begun making sentences in Russian language. So what we have just done is that we have mixed up a simple pronoun with a verb in Russian language, and we have made a simple sentence. So if you're just joining us, I would like you to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And our goal on this channel is to learn Russian language and to unlock your reasoning into Russian language, communication in Russian language. So I would like you to also like this video and comment, to help us, get more feedbacks. All right, I explained earlier that we have two types of verbs in Russian language, that the categories are two: first category and second category. So now we will be looking into the second category of verbs in Russian language. Don't go nowhere. Okay, so now looking into the second category of verbs in Russian, the class 2 of verbs in Russian. How they used in making a simple sentence, just like we have made previously. So I would take this example, the word want. The word want. The word want. The word want in Russian is called hatit. 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 Look at the last three words. That signifies the infinitive. So verbs can come in a different form, but one thing that you would always find, in order to understand that it's an infinitive form, is the T and the soft sign or hard sign at the end. Do you understand? Okay, so now let's go into this particular verb that I've just picked. Let us exercise this word want in Russian language, which is khatit. So if I'm going to say I want, it would be ya хочу. I want is ya хочу. If I'm going to say you want, it is ты хочешь. Ты хочешь. Ты хочешь. If I'm going to say he wants, I would say он хочет. Он хочет. If I'm going to say she wants, I would say она хочет. Она хочет. If I'm going to say we want, I would say мы хотим. Мы хотим. Мы хотим. If I'm going to say they want, I would say они хотят. Они хотят. Они хотят. And let's not forget the formal form of T is вы. And if I'm going to say you want using the formal form, it would be вы хотите. Вы хотите. Вы хотите. Do you understand that? So I would like you to look into the last three endings of these words. You can see that there's a difference from the first category of verb that we have handled before. Like for example, we used the word znat, and when I said I know, I said ya zna you. Look at that last word, you. And now that I said I true, I want, ya true, you can see that instead of the word, the ending word being you, it is now u. So that's a difference. You understand that that's a difference in the first category of verbs in Russian and the second category of verbs in Russian. Do you understand that? They will come in different forms, but you know the ending will be different. So there are many words in Russian that you would use, you know, that would end with you, and there are many words in Russian, many verbs that will end, like when you are putting them in simple sentences like this, that will end with the ending letter who. So I hope that you understand what I've just explained. I hope that you understand what I've just explained. I would go over it again. We said я хочу, ты хочешь, вы хотите, мы хотим, они хотят, они хотят. Do you understand? And we also said он хочет, она хочет. So I hope you have just understood this lesson, and if you enjoyed this lesson, I would like you to comment on the comment section and like these videos and our previous videos as well, and subscribe to this channel and click on the bell so you can know when we have a new content for you. Thank you very much, and see you again in the next lesson. Paka paka.